iTrustCapital app. The pros, the cons. iTrustCapital is a unique platform that allows users to invest in cryptocurrencies and precious metals through self-directed retirement accounts. But is it the right choice for your portfolio? Starting with the pros. First, crypto and precious metals access. iTrustCapital lets you hold Bitcoin, Ether, gold, and silver within retirement accounts, which is rare in traditional platforms. Second, tax advantage accounts. You can use IRAs or solo ARCs to invest, offering potential long-term tax benefits. Third, security. The platform uses cold storage and industry-standard protocols to protect assets. Now, the cons. One limitation is high fees. iTrustCapital charges a flat monthly fee plus trading costs, which can add up for smaller investors. Another drawback is complexity. Managing digital assets within a retirement account requires understanding both tax rules and crypto mechanics. The surprising truth? Many retirement investors stick to stocks and bonds, missing out on alternative assets that could diversify their portfolios. iTrustCapital opens that door, but with responsibility. In conclusion, the pros: crypto and metals access, tax advantage accounts, and security make iTrustCapital attractive for alternative asset investors. The cons: fees and complexity mean beginners should proceed cautiously and educate themselves thoroughly.